my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve and you might be panicking because you're still looking for an easy hors d'oeuvre recipe to serve to your family and friends. Last month, I shared my version of Duxelles with you, which is a mushroom paste. As I mentioned back then, this dish is very versatile. And here's a recipe you can use it in. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Duxelles Bruschetta. This is an amazing, easy hors d'oeuvre to make. After the mushroom paste is done, it's quite fast to put everything together. The flavors are incredibly delicious. A perfect dish to serve to your guests. So my friends, let's get cooking.
First, we'll have to make Duxelles. Last month, I showed you how to make that delicious easy mushroom paste, and I won't go through the details again. If you haven't seen yet, click on the top right corner of your screen to view it. Alright, so in a mixing bowl, we'll combine tomatoes, fresh chopped thyme, some extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of sherry vinegar, and then we'll season with ground sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. We'll give a good stir, taste and adjust if needed, and set aside for now. Next, we'll go ahead and slice the baguette to about an inch thick before brushing on some oil on one side only, making sure to cover the surface. We'll place them on a baking sheet lined with foil and transfer under the boiler with the rack positioned at the top of the oven. We'll leave them there until golden brown, about 2 to 2.5 minutes. Now, let's assemble the bruschetta. First, we'll spread on the goat cheese. I'm a cheese lover, so I'm putting a generous layer of it. Next, we'll add a good amount of Duxelles, which will bring these bruschetta to a new level of deliciousness. And then we'll top with our tomato mixture. When we put this dish together, it's a little bit messy, but it's so worth it. So to make sure it stays in place, we'll press it down gently. Now we'll drizzle the bruschetta with pomegranate molasses. This added ingredient wraps up this hors d'oeuvre beautifully. Click on the top right corner of your screen to get this incredible condiment. For the finishing touch, we'll garnish with chives. And my friends, this is our Duxelles Bruschetta. This tasty new twist on an old favorite is so delicious. It's elegant, easy to make, and very colorful. This is the perfect hors d'oeuvre to serve during the holidays or any special occasion. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!